Children, let us start with the appreciation. So once again, we'll recite the poem. Very beautiful now. Very beautiful poem. Yes. Very meaningful poem. Yes, I'm loving this poem. Very meaningful. So what the poem says: if I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. So, children, in the poem, if I can stop one heart from breaking, Emily Dickinson conveys a beautiful thought that one should always try to reduce someone's sorrows and pains. She thinks that her life can be successful only if she stops one heart from breaking or ease one's life from aching. Okay, so my favorite line in the poem is, if I can ease one life the aching. To give rhythm to the poem, the poetess has used rhyming words such as breaking, aching, again, vain. The rhyme scheme of the poem is, okay, so we'll go through rhyme schema. Okay, so rhyme scheme, we'll go to rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, B, B. Okay, I will explain to you. Wait. Next, last line of this appreciation is, this is a 7-line poem. Yes, children, it is 7 lines. Na? 7 lines are there. It is a 7-line poem. That's why it is called a septet. Okay, SEPTET. 7-line poem. Only 7 lines are there. That's why it is called as septet. Okay. Now let us go through the rhyme scheme. There are no figures of speech here. We will go through rhyme scheme. See the first line. If I can stop one heart from breaking. Last word is breaking. Any word rhyming with breaking? Yes. Any word rhyming? Yes. Aching. So third line is aching. So breaking, aching. So both are rhyming. That's why we have given the alphabet A, A. Next, come to the next second line. So I shall not live in vain. Any word rhyming with vain? Yes, vain. Yes, pain. Then again, vain. Got? Vain. Fourth line is pain. Then sixth line, it is again. And last line, vain. So these 4 words are rhyming: vain, pain, again, vain. So we have given the alphabet B, 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 B. Yes, got? Okay, so now one line is left now. That is which line? It is fifth one. Or help one fainting robin. So last word is robin. So we have given the alphabet C to here, C to robin. Any other words rhyming with robin? No, 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 no. So now rhyme scheme of the poem, that's why, is A, B, A, B, C, B, B. A, B, A, B, C, B, B. Understood how we got this? A, B, A, B, C, B, B. Yes, so this is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Now here some meanings are given. We'll go through the meanings. I can ease one life the aching, means if I can reduce the sorrow in someone's life. Cool one pain means reduce the pain, give relief. Unto means to. Okay. Now let us go through the pointers. What does the poet want to do? So what does the poet want to do, children? The poet wants to reduce pain and sorrow in the lives of human beings and the living creatures. He wants to help the weak and the unhappy. Yes? Okay, come to next question. Does the poet expect anything in return? Does the poet expect, children? No. What is the poet's reward? Yes. No, the poet doesn't expect anything in return. The poet believes that through these acts she can add meaning to her life, and that is her reward. Okay. Yes. The poet believes that through these acts she can add meaning to her life, and that is her reward. Okay. So now next is list all the phrases and indicate sorrow or pain. You have to list the phrases that is showing sorrow or pain. Which are they, children? First one is stop one heart from breaking. Okay, next one is ease one life the aching. So breaking, aching, both words are showing sorrow, pain. Okay, these are the phrases then. Okay, now last question. Form groups of 5 and discuss that. What to discuss? There are many things that seem small, minor, or insignificant to some people. There are many things which some people feel that they are very small, they don't have any significance. But the same may be the cause of great pain, suffering for others. Okay, so for us it may be small or minor thing, but for others it may be a cause of great pain or suffering. Yes, children, true? Yes. Can you list such things? What can you do to provide help on those occasions? So here the question is that if you see such situation, what you can do to help, to provide help in such situation. Okay, so I will suggest you some things, and you can add your more. Okay, so now children, sometimes what happen, some people may not give a lot of importance to money. Okay, those who are very rich, to them there is no importance of money. Okay, while there are others who are dying due to hunger and starvation, because they don't have any money, so they can't buy food. That's why they are dying due to hunger and starvation, because they don't have money to buy food. They are so poor that they cannot afford their basic needs also. Yes, children, understood how for some people it is such a means minor thing, and for others it is their basic need. Yes, so what we should do, what we can do, we should help organize food for the poor and the needy. Okay, we can request NGOs to help them, we can request them. Okay, or whatever help we can do, that we can provide. Now next is, some people leave the taps open and waste water. Okay, sometimes happens, sometimes by mistake we also commit this mistake. Okay, we leave the taps open and waste water, while there are thousands who are deprived of drinking water. You know, na children, there are many places where there is no means there is daily there is no supply of water. Only during a whole day, only 1 hour they are getting water, or 2 hours they are getting water. Okay, so they are facing so much of problems there. So we should create awareness about the need to save water. What we can do, we should make them understand that we should save water, and ensure that we do all we can do to help people overcome water scarcity. Yes, this is second situation. First we have seen regarding the money, second one is regarding water. Next is, so many people, you must be visiting restaurants, hotels. Yes, children, and sometimes what happens, we means order food. So if it is means if means we are done, so we just leave that food as it is, and that what happens to that food? That food goes to dustbin. Yes, so many people, they visit restaurants and waste food. They do not they do it at home too. Okay, you means तुम लोग करते हो क्या ऐसा कुछ? No ना, you do. So what they do it at home too. At the same time, there are so many people who sometimes starve to death. Okay, this is the basic. They don't have that basic basic things to survive. That is their food. Okay, don't have money, so they can't buy food. That's why they have to starve, and sometimes what happens? They die due to starvation. Okay, so we can request hotels and restaurants to donate a part of whatever they prepare each day to those in need. Yes, children, we can do, and from our side, we should order only that much that we can eat, so that we don't waste food. Okay, at home also we should take that food only that we can eat. Okay, that in our plate, because if once it is in our plate, so if half it is eaten, so remaining half, it will go in dustbin. Yes, children, so we should not do this. Okay, only take that much which you can consume. Yes, so now you may add your more ideas to the list. Yes, this some things I have told you. Many things you can add to this list. Okay, children, understood? So this was regarding the pointers. Okay, very meaningful poem. If I can stop one heart from breaking, so I will send you the answers. So complete your work and try to get some lesson from this poem. Okay, children, so we can stop here now. Take care. Bye.